case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1884, the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court took on a consequential case, Sawyer v. Davis, which examined an intriguing intersection between individual property rights and public safety regulations. The dispute had originally ignited between factory owners and surrounding neighbors over the deafening sound of the factory bell, disrupting the peace and tranquility of the residential area. The first ruling from the court had sided with the annoyed neighbors, labeling the bell clanging as a private nuisance. However, the tables began to turn when the state legislature passed a new law permitting the ringing of factory bells. The factory owners were quick to assert that this new piece of legislation should protect them from potential lawsuits, allowing them to continue their cacophonous routine freely. While the court grappled with the alleged infringement of factory owners' rights to operation, it concurrently weighed the neighbors' right to live free from excessive disturbance. The court's consensus was that although property ownership does grant individuals certain liberties, these freedoms are not without restrictions, especially when public safety is at stake. For instance, in a densely populated residential district, blaring bells and whistles excessively would overstep roundabout community rights, necessitating legal intervention. Still, when the legislature sanctions regulations to ensure public safety, the court contended that some inconveniences might need to be endured. After meticulous consideration, the court ruled in favor of the factory owners, reasoning that the injunction preventing bell ringing could be subject to review if the circumstances changed. With the introduction of the new statute, it indeed had. The court underscored the dynamic nature of common law rules, apt to change as society evolves. And so, the lawsuit from the factory owners was allowed to proceed under the protection of the new state law. This landmark decision reaffirmed that the benefits to the larger community could sometimes overshadow individual rights, especially when public safety is concerned.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.